Well, hi, buddies. Did you want to come out? Oops, you gonna try to jump? That's a long ways. That's a long ways. You did it. Good boy. Well, let's just show him the rest. Cooper's bed. My bed. The full inside of both beds in the Honda CR-V 2001 EX that has the folding beds completely packed away. All our gear fits in the very back, even with the seats folded as two beds. Plenty of room. You see how we have the tarp over the bug screen here on the passenger window, and the window is slightly open to give us the venting that we need. This is an 8x10 sil nylon Equinox tarp that I've had for many years. Well, there he is. And off to the back here, we have what I thought would make simply a nice bug screen, and it's turned out to fit the CR-V nicely. You're seeing a complete tent here covering the back and under the tarp with our chair, end table, oh, another Cooper shot. Checking out camp. Where is he? There he is. Inspecting. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. The way I have this whole thing attached to the back, I do use their provided straps with hooks that go to the wheel, and those are fine. But with the rest, I just used magnets. Magnets all across the back. This is a makeshift because of the way sil nylon is. It stretches, but that's fine. And I do have a tent pole that I'm going to convert for that purpose with maybe a larger, I'm thinking maybe 12x10 tarp, sil nylon. I use sil nylon because it's so light and the stretchiness does help. That releases. They say that this doesn't fit a 97 to 2001 CRV, but as you can tell, the screen and the tarp does actually fit around the spare tire. Same with the main tent cover. And it does fit. Get the chair out of the way here. Just start to get a little tight there. You can force it, and again, it will fit. Just, it won't seal all the way, but the main parts, namely the window and the opening, it fits just fine. Gets a little tight there, but again, you're already past the window and such. Checking it out, Scoop. Yeah, it fits, huh? See? There's the tire there. And I have a bike rack carrier on this thing, which fits off of the spare tire, so it makes it even more of an extension. But again, it fits.